Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back with another video today. Today we joined by Jacob and Tiff right there. And we actually gonna be doing a two-part video. So first part's gonna be one mod, and the second part's gonna be another mod. But it's gonna be at the same time pretty much. So we actually got some SubiFlow mirror lights. That's for the next video, but for this video, we'll actually be installing some new door speakers because everybody knows in these cars, audio system ass. So we'll do that first, and then midway the install, when we put the rear door cards on, I'm actually gonna start filming for the next video because I want to do this hand in hand. I don't have to keep taking off the door cards. So we'll do that. But for right now, we're gonna have to turn the car on and actually do a sound test for the before and after. So we're just gonna record it now, and then whenever it's actually time for the video, I'll put it next to each other. So we'll get started with that. All right, so looking for this install, simple. Pop this out, pop that out, unscrew, pop the door card, and then just unscrew where the speakers are. So it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna set y'all on the tripod and do it for all four doors. I finally got it. Actually turned out to didn't be that bad. Just had to know where the clips are. That's all video on it. But finally got the door card off. A couple wires right here, but all we need is to get to that. So it's nothing crazy. So I'm gonna put on a tripod, unscrew that, and then do the comparison for you, you know?
Got it.
Shit, I don't know if y'all saw this, but oh, don't look at that. Yes sir, yes sir.
Alright, so we already put all the speakers in, we popped the door cards in, so now let's go ahead and hop inside and actually do the audio test. The lighting right now is horrible. Let's go to the audio test. Alright, so we found some non-copyrighted remixes, so we'll just use that instead. Can we get it? We look swole. It's not bad. I can still talk to y'all, so. Okay, so it's not bad. I mean, the thing is, when the bass is actually there, the volume just like goes down. So. All right, so this is gonna be the after. We just installed the speaker. You did a test run, and it sounds so much better, more bassy, and a lot more clear volume compared to the other speakers. So let's go ahead and see the next one. Yeah, I'll be honest, worth it. It's definitely worth it. And I understand why people actually pay this at the dealership, but I'd rather get it cheaper and just do it myself. But that's about it. But that's pretty much gonna be end of the day's video. Y'all like the video, bro? I mean, remember all links are down below and everything, but if y'all like the video, make sure to go down, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, y'all get posts whenever I post a new video, and I'll see y'all later.